In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Zoho Analytics. We'll walk through the entire process so you can build a clear, interactive view of your data that your team can use right away. Start by logging into Zoho Analytics and opening the workspace that already contains the data and reports you want to visualize. Having your reports and charts prepared ahead of time will make the dashboard build fast and focused. Next, initialize a new dashboard. Click the Create button in the top left corner, or use the menu bar and select New Dashboard. You'll be prompted to name it. Choose a descriptive title that reflects the purpose and time frame, like Monthly Sales Pipeline, so anyone opening it immediately knows what they are looking at. Now it's time to add components. On the left, you'll see your available reports, pivot tables, and charts. Drag and drop the ones you need onto the design canvas. Think of this as arranging your story. High-level overviews first, then more detailed breakdowns. Keep related visuals grouped together so patterns are easier to spot. To surface the numbers that matter most, add KPI widgets. These are perfect for headline metrics such as total sales, conversion rate, or active users. Label them clearly, keep the units consistent, and make sure each widget reflects the same date range as your other components to avoid confusion. Customize your layout using the drag and drop builder. Resize components so the most important visuals are prominent, and use the fit to width option to tidy everything up for different screen sizes. Aim for consistent chart heights and aligned edges to improve readability. If your dashboard needs structure for different audiences or topics, add tabs. Click Add tab to create additional pages, up to 10 in total. For example, you might separate Overview, Pipeline, and Performance tabs to keep the experience organized and quick to navigate. To make your dashboard interactive, add user filters. Apply filters for date ranges, regions, product lines, or other key categories. Set sensible defaults so the dashboard loads with meaningful data, and confirm each filter controls the appropriate components. When you are happy with the setup, save your dashboard. Then open the Share menu to provide access to your team. Choose who can view or collaborate, and confirm they have the necessary permissions for the underlying workspace data. That's it. Thanks for watching.